Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. It is the day after Christmas and it is a beautiful day here in Arizona. And I'm back to work on the old Jeep again. I got a Christmas present. Look what I got. I got a set of these really cool LED headlights. These are the kind with the high and the low beam and the spot and the flood. And the halo ring around for parking and turn. And I'm going to put those in. Since I've already got this set up for LED turn signals and everything works right, which I will confirm before I begin that it still does work right. But I think this should be, and I hate to say this because I don't want to jinx myself, but this could be a fairly easy swap. This was a gift. I think it came from Amazon. I'll try and find them and put a link to them below. But looks like a pretty complete kit with instructions and I think pretty much everything you probably need for this, or at least I'll need for this. So I'm going to get the camera on a tripod and let's get started. A couple of things worthy of note here before I go any further is the little things here for the where it's supposed to fit into the headlight bucket. Here there's 3 of them with the small projector at the top and the big one at the bottom. They actually do line up. I mean, I'm kind of shocked, but they actually do. So that's a good thing. I haven't checked to make sure the ring fits around it yet, the retaining ring, but I don't expect too much troubles there. So that side is on and done and working, and I did wind up having to massage both the headlight bucket and the shell of the headlight itself to get it to sit down low enough for the retaining ring to go back on. And as you can see on this one, I hope you can see because I can barely see anything out in the sun and the camera screen. These here, let me get the sealed beam and I'll show you. On the sealed beam, you can see, again, I hope you can see that that projection is nowhere near as tall, and I mean nowhere near as tall, and I guess it's just about as wide. Anyway, I wound up having to shave quite a bit off the top of those to get it to sit down far enough, and I also widened the slot in the headlight bucket a little bit to give me more play like that, so it was kind of a little bit less fiddly, because it was awful fiddly getting it in. Anyway, time to do the other side now. So before I put this back together, let me show you what I did to make it fit. These little locator tabs, for starters, they're too tall. They're at least 1/8 of an inch too tall, probably 3/16. So before I even brought this side out, now I figured this all out doing that side. Before I even brought it out, I shaved probably 3/16 of an inch of those off of the height of it coming out this way. Secondly, they're a little wider this way than they need to be. They do fit, but they're fiddly. On that side, I widened these slots up slightly with some snips. On this side, I don't think I am, but also on this side, this cap is hitting, and I can pop the cap off and just leave the rubber thing under it on, and I'll get it on. But I think I'm just going to take it all completely off and just put some silicone on that to seal it, because that does want to hit with the cap on. Without the cap, it's fine. Everything fits good. On this side, I'm not going to have to modify the headlight bucket at all, and probably didn't have to over there. Over there, I just took some snips and widened these out slightly, just because it was too finicky. I probably didn't have to, but it doesn't hurt anything. So that's what I did, let you guys know, and yep, I'm putting this one together, and I think I'll be done because I've already tested it and it looks like it works. Okay, so there you go. They're all in and mounted and working, and I'm really happy with them. If you buy these on your own, be aware a little bit of modification is going to be required. Nothing you can't do with a 10 snips and a Dremel tool, so it's not that big of a deal. And yeah, I got them in. I'm happy with them. It's 2 o'clock now. You really can't see anything. I'll bring you back out here as soon as it's late afternoon, and we'll get a better look at them. Okay, so it's about 5:30 out, plus it's getting overcast, so nice time of day to check this. Oh, and I gotta say, that winch plate makes for a lovely little tool tray when you're working. Really works out pretty good. Anyway, let's test these things out. So here's the parking lights. Here's left turn signal with the parking lights on. Right turn signal. Turn the parking lights off and try the turn signals. There we go. Left. Right. Here is headlights on. Here's left turn. Here's right turn. I don't know, guys. I think they're pretty cool. I really like that. A little bit of work getting them on, but I really think it was worth it. I like that a lot. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions and comments, you know where to leave them. See you in the next one. Bye for now.